Hello viewers, hello my dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic regarding English point of view, why English is so compulsory for businessmen. So today I will highlight it some points, some ideas that can show the importance of English for businessmen. So why English is so important for businessmen? So I try to explain some thoughts that is very helpful for you, particularly business point of view. Even then, those businessmen they are working abroad, they have no idea what they have to do in that country. If they have a knowledge of English, they can communicate easily. For example, if I am Pakistani, I have no idea to deal with anybody abroad. Particularly I want to export my transactions, I want to deal my transaction with European countries. So you know that European countries don't understand your language. It means that if you will speak in Urdu, definitely they will not understand you. So then you feel a lot of problem regarding this. So what we have to do, then you need a translator for this. If they need a translator, definitely you will pay salary for them. So then even then there will be ambiguity among them. So why they should learn English? So if they have a knowledge about English, if they have an idea about little bit English, if they have a practice, not too much, even then they have a practice for business dealing, it means that he will call to importer or exporter, then definitely he will talk in English, other one will understand him, and he can convey his message, he can receive anything without any problem. So for business point of view, it's very obligatory for businessmen. They are working in Pakistan, they are working in abroad, they are working all part of the world. So it's very good thing for those people. They are working in Pakistan and they have no idea about speaking of English. If they will try a little bit, they can grow their business easily. They can export, they can import any kind of thing from country, because if their communication will be good, his dealing will be good, their resources will be good, their ideas will be good, and other one will be motivated by your discussion, by your dealing, and he shows that you are so competent man regarding business point of view. So for business man, for business people, it's very need for us. So all the people should focus on it regarding business point of view. So those people, they are educated, they have a much knowledge, they have a good knowledge about English, they can easily grow their business. And why businessmen should learn English? Because if they want to transaction with other country, if they want to export or import something, then if they will talk in Urdu, then definitely they will feel a lot of confusion, they will feel a lot of problems, and they should hire a translator for this. If they have a good knowledge, good ideas himself, then definitely he or she, they are running business, they can convey their ideas and they convey their message to other one. I hope so all of you will try to learn these kinds of things, and English is very important things for businessmen, and businessmen should focus on English, not too much but a little bit they have ideas, so that they can convey their message.